Hey traders, John Hal here. In this video, I'm going to be answering a question from Falcon Furry, which is about natural gas, and natural gas and natural gas stocks have had a massive move. So I'm going to share with you what I see on these things and why natural gas did actually make a big move and what was the precursor to this. So let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantee they're making money on any single given one trade, and you need to accept that up front, okay? Past performance not equal future performance, and this is just education only. Also guys, if you haven't got so, make sure you grab the free 12-hour trading course, mindset, mistakes, chart reading, trading systems, and so much more to help you. It's about, I think it's 12 hours long, over 10 videos you're going to get as well too. So make sure you get access to that. Anyway, so natural gas has been exploding when it comes to the market. So let me just share with you what I see here on the markets. Now remember guys, the better you can read the chart, the better trader you will be, okay? Now, look at this here for a minute, okay? This is natural gas here, all right? This is natural gas, and let's look at natural gas over a 12-month period here. Now, what do we see here with natural gas, say, over a 12-month period? What do we see? We see what? We see, or actually, let's just go say a 1 year period. Let's go 1 year. There we go, 1 year. Now, what do we see here? We see the market came down, and notice how we were very, very quiet, right? We're just simply just going sideways through here, right? So let me just delete this off through here. So what happened through here, okay? Now remember, the market is like an energy source. If it's moving, it's using energy. If it's just going sideways, it's building energy. And the longer we go sideways, the more energy we are building, the more potential, the bigger the move. So as you can see through here, when you're looking at what natural gas did, right? UNG. Now this has everything to do with all the stocks in the stock market. I mean, like all the natural gas stocks as well too, right? And not just natural gas stocks, but pretty much every market out there. This is how it works. So you can see how we went through a bit of a sideways range through here. Okay, and then what ended up happening, what do? We actually broke up, made a high. Then we came up, made a higher low. And then as you can see, we started to break above here. So that told me that if you look at this here, right, this whole energy thing through, this whole sideways range is a building of energy phase. Okay, we're building energy to release it. So once we break out, yeah, it may take some time, but as you can see, right, once we started to get a high, low and breaking, that's when we started to see some big moves in natural gas. So you've had some wild rides in natural gas recently, but what was the precursor for this big move up? The precursor was all this energy field here. Look at this market as energy, right? All this sideways movement is like an energy being built up. And then when it breaks out, it could be a false breakout, by the way. There's many stocks that go sideways like that and then break out, and it's a false breakout, and then we head back down. So you never know whether it's true. As you can see with natural gas, what ended up happening? It broke out, made a higher low, breaking the previous high. Now it's showing us not a false breakout, had all this energy, higher low, and as you can see, then we actually absolutely exploded to the upside. It's releasing all that energy that it built up. Makes sense? So this is refueling, this is building energy, this is releasing the energy. And the more energy we have in the markets, the more it's likely to move in a big way. So I hope you can see right now, guys, that what I mean here by energy source. Now again, you've got to be careful, because if it does break out, there could be a false breakout and so on and so forth. So you've got to really know what you're doing when you're looking at this here. But this is the way that the markets work. It's an energy source, and that's the whole thing, right? The calm before the storm analogy. Where does that come from? When the market becomes really quiet, like Bitcoin has been doing for the last few months, when it breaks, it's generally, and it's a strong break, it's generally going to be a very nice move in that direction, either up or down. So I hope this helped you out. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this trading course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.